Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation 25 to the power of x minus 20 to the power of x is equal to 16 to the power of x. So, to solve this, I'm going to first start by dividing every term with 16 to the power of x. So, these two cancel out on my right-hand side. So I'm left with 25 to the power of x over 16 to the power of x minus 20 to the power of x over 16 to the power of x is equal to 1. From here, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, this is equal to a over b to the power of m. So 25 to the power of x over 16 to the power of x turns into 25 over 16 to the power of x. And 20 to the power of x over 16 to the power of x turns into 20 over 16 to the power of x. Now, 25 over 16, I'm going to rewrite as 5 squared over 4 squared. And 20 over 16, that just simplifies to 5 over 4. From here, 5 squared over 4 squared is the same thing as 5 over 4 squared. And now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. So 5 over 4 to the power of 2 to the power of x turns into 5 over 4 to the power of x to the power of 2. And from here, I'm going to let 5 over 4 to the power of x equal to the variable y. So now I have y squared minus y is equal to 1. And this means that y squared minus y minus 1 equals 0. So I get two values of y. If I plug this into the quadratic formula, I get y is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2, and y is equal to 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2. So recall how 5 over 4 to the power of x is equal to y. Well, if 5 over 4 to the power of x is equal to y, we can't make this equal to a negative number because you can't take the power of a positive number and make it equal negative. So this is my equation here. And if I take the log base 5 over 4 on both sides, I get x is equal to log base 5 over 4 of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2.